Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. Today we are going to discuss about geometry. So what is geometry? Geometry, it is the study of shape, size, position and dimension. So geometry, it is the study of shape, size, position and dimension, and it deals with points, lines, planes and their relationship. So now we are going to discuss about the points. So what is points? Point is the fundamental concept with no dimension. That means it doesn't have any dimension, no length, no breadth, no height, and it is denoted by a dot, simple dot or point. Next one is the lines. So what is line? Lines are made up of infinite numbers of points. Lines are made up of infinite numbers of points extending on both sides or both direction. So if we draw a lines, it will be look like this. It is negative infinite to positive infinite. Next one is the plane. Plane may be in two-dimensional and three-dimensional surface that extended in to infinity in all direction. In two-dimensional, it is only to x and y direction, and three-dimension it will be x, y and z direction. In two-dimension we can draw only two-dimensional shape like which have length and breadth, but in three-dimensional we can draw length, breadth and height. These are the planes. So this is the simple introduction about geometry. Thank you.